Hi everyone, this is Karen Elaine and I have a quick tutorial, another one, second one in 2 days, but I just really felt I needed to remember this myself, and the only way I remember folds is when I actually make a video, so that later when I forget I have the video. But I do want to share these with you. So these are little stands, very simple split stands, kind of like the wooden ones you would see or buy, and this is made out of paper, and I just love it. It fits my affirmation cards. This is a 3.5-inch square affirmation card, and this paper is 5 inches. So if you have bigger cards or recipe cards or something like that, you can make, just size your stand to whatever size your cards are. But I think these really are pretty easy and pretty cute. I found the tutorial on YouTube, and I thought I would just do one here. So here we go. You're going to take your paper, and I'm just choosing one of these. And I'm going to take my paper and fold it with the color side up, fold it in half. Just nice even fold. And then I'm going to turn it over, and I've got the folded side on my left edge, and I'm going to fold it in half again, like that. And then I'm going to take the raw edge, and I'm going to fold it up to that center crease. And take this raw edge and fold it to the crease I just made. And I'm going to repeat this on the other side. So I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to fold the edge up to the crease in the center, and I'll take the raw edge and fold it to the crease I just made. Okay, next step is you're going to open up this fold here, and actually there's a way to do it a little bit more accurately. I'm just going to make a little pre-crease here on the bottom of both of these closed edges. So the open edge is up here, closed edge is down here. I'm going to make those little pre-creases, and I'm going to open up the layer and just flatten that down like that, and I'll do the same on the other side. And just flatten that down like that. I'll turn the paper over, and I'm just going to fold these little creases that are mountain folds. I'm going to just fold them back on both sides like that. Next step, and we're almost there. It's very easy. I'm going to take I'm going to do a valley fold from this little point here. I'm just going to fold it up as far as it'll go, basically, and give it a nice crease. I'm turning it over, and I'm going to take this side, doing the same exact thing. I'm just folding it as far as it will go and kind of making sure all the edges are even. So now what I have is I've got this little part here, which is the split part that holds the paper or the card. And I'm going to just fold these raw edges as close as I can to this crease that's here. Just kind of get it as tight as I can, and do the same on the other side. We're almost there. So now what I have is I'm going to take something that makes this a little easier, because what I need to do is to tuck in one of the sides into the other side. But I found that it was a little hard to get those pieces in without doing one thing, a little trick. I'm going to just take this, and I'm going to take it and very slightly narrow the fold a little bit. You see, I just a little bit, not much. Just trying to make it so that it will go in easier. And we'll see if this works. And I'm just going to do the same thing, just kind of dragging that and kind of changing the angle of the fold just a very little tiny bit. I don't know if you see that. This one I might have done too much. I'll go back a little. We'll see if it works. So what I need to do is to take these ends that I just narrowed a little bit, and I'm going to slide them into the pocket or the fold on the other side. I'm hoping that works, because I've had been struggling before. We'll see. We'll see what happens. You just need to get these little folds. Slide, slide, slide until these two pieces come together, and slide into each other easily. And it's not working. That my little trick didn't work, so ignore that. I'm trying to get this little part in. Yep, there it goes. So basically you want to just get that as snug as you can. And now your stand is now ready to use. So here I have a card, and I'm just going to tuck it in, and now I have a little stand. Now I see there's an angle. It kind of has an angle, so I can actually turn it to the right angle, and there it is. It stands really nicely. It holds my little card, and I could put that up for have an affirmation of the day, which this one is my affirmation for the day. And I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial on how to make stands for cards that you've either made or you bought, and they are just really handy. Thanks for watching.